Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 7. Yep, leçon Z. In this lesson, we will discover together some questions, 5 questions to be precise, in which you will find jusqu'à quand. So it can be tricky from time to time to understand or use it. So this is exactly what we will work on in this lesson. So we can start right now. Until when? Jusqu'à quand? Jusqu'à quand? Jusqu'à quand? Until when are you here? Jusqu'à quand es-tu ici? Jusqu'à quand es-tu ici? Jusqu'à quand es-tu ici? Until when will you be there? Jusqu'à quand seras-tu là? Jusqu'à quand seras-tu là? Jusqu'à quand seras-tu là? Until when will we stay here? Sorry. Jusqu'à quand resterons-nous ici? Jusqu'à quand resterons-nous ici? Jusqu'à quand resterons-nous ici? Until when are you going to wait? Jusqu'à quand vas-tu attendre? Jusqu'à quand vas-tu attendre? Jusqu'à quand vas-tu attendre? So before letting you go, keep in mind that it's always possible to find more videos on the YouTube channel, and it's youtube.com/imagier. So you can subscribe and definitely you can like the videos. It would be so great. Thank you very much in advance. If you want more content and if you want all the videos, all the audios, all the things that I've been producing so far, the platform is frenchforme.net. Okay, and then if you are only interested in audio or PDF for the lessons, then it's another place, and it's frenchforus.net. And last but not least, if you need to go faster, if you want some Skype lessons, it's possible. Let's try to find a convenient time for you and for me. And so just send me something through frenchforyou.net. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Au revoir et à bientôt.